Hello students, you are watching Sure Success classes. In this session, we will learn how to place the fractions on number line. As we know, the fractions are part of whole. So, they are greater than 0. First, we will place the point for 0, whole number 0 at left side of this line 0. And if the fraction contains whole part, means if the fraction is 1 whole and 1/4, at that time there is a whole part, means this fraction is greater than 1. So we will put 1 and next number on number line. But if the fraction is 1/4, means it is there is no whole part. For that we will put or place the point 1 at right side of this line. Then we have here the segment. I am writing here the point as A and this point as a B. We have got here the segment AB. Now we can divide this segment. Suppose we have to place this fraction on this number line. At that time we will focus on this denominator of the given fraction. Now we have got this segment. If the fraction is even number, at that time you can divide this segment into two parts and then divide this portion into two parts and this portion into two parts. Now we are having 1, 2, 3 and 4 equal parts. So out of these 4 equal parts, one part is considered. So we will write fractions for each point. This fraction is one part out of 4 parts. This represent 2 part out of 4 part. This represent third part out of 4 equal parts, and this point represent fourth part out of 4 equal parts. It is equal to 1. So this point represent our fraction. We will name it as P. So the representation of this fraction is point P as a fraction 1/4. Student, if the fraction containing whole part, in this fraction whole part is there and fractional part is also there, at that time we will place 0 left side of this number line. Then for this whole part 1 will appear here. This point represent whole number 1 and this part is greater than 1, means it will come into 1 and 2. So I am writing here this point for whole number 2. Then look at the denominator of given fractional part. It is 4. So we will divide this segment and this segment into 4 equal parts. Divide into middle, then make two parts of each. These parts. Here also we can do like this. And each part represent one part out of 4 equal parts. In the fraction there is one whole part. So we will go ahead to this one, and in next segment we have to find out 1/4 part of this fraction. This point represent the fraction 1/4. Out of 4 part, this is first part. This is 2/4. This one is 3/4 and this is 4/4. But it contains one part and this one part means it is equal to 2. So one whole part 1 plus 1/4. So this point represent our fraction. I am giving name it as a P. This point represent the given fraction. Students, in this example, we will place this fraction on given number line. So let's go for it. Here first we will place 0 as a point A, and there is no whole part in this fraction, so we will place this point B for 1, whole number 1. Now we have here the segment AB. We can divide this segment into given parts. To divide this line, we will focus on denominator. It is 5. So we will divide this segment, unit segment, into 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We will count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And fraction represented by each point will be 1/5, 2/5. This point represent fraction 3/5, 4/5, and this one is 5/5, means it is equal to 1. So the given fraction is 2/5, means this point represent the given fraction. So name it as T. The point T represent the given fraction 2/5. Students, let's solve different question related to number line. Question is, write the fraction represented by the point Q on the given number line. Number line is given and segment AB has been divided into how many equal parts? We will count first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Equal parts are 11. I am putting here fractional bar, and denominator means equal parts. They are 11, and out of these 11 equal parts, point Q represent, we will find out the place of this point. We will count from left side. Start from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Means point Q is at 8th place. So out of 11 equal parts, 8 parts are considered. So this Q represent the fraction 8/11. This appeal is to students as well as their parents. If you like the videos of Sure Success classes, kindly subscribe our channel and don't forget to press bell icon. Share this video with your friends, and if you have any query or suggestion, kindly mention in comment box.